Hi, I'm Joe and I'm a teacher. I'm going to show you how to create a simple festive decoration using the clear baubles from the YPO catalogue. To make your Rudolph, you'll need clear baubles, string, PVA glue, glue spreaders, pipe cleaners, wiggly eyes, and assorted pom-poms. To make Rudolph, fill the bauble with brown pom-poms and connect the edges. Thread some string through the open hole to create a festive hanging decoration. Take the pipe cleaners, push through the hole at the top to create antlers. Use glue to add your wiggly eyes and red pom-pom nose to complete your reindeer bauble. These baubles are a fantastic product that can hold plenty of designs. Great for creative minds.